Doing the 3-day detox cleanse from Raw Fountain. Now these are 6 different juices. They'll show up at your doorstep frozen, so you do need to allow some time for them to thaw out. So if it shows that it's going to show up at your doorstep tomorrow, don't plan on doing the cleanse for about 2 to 3 days after that until they get thawed out. Now there is a pre-cleanse day. So let's say you're going to start your cleanse on Monday. On Sunday, you don't want to eat any red meat, poultry, stuff like that. No pasta, no dairy. Pretty much just raw fruits and vegetables on the day before you start your cleanse. You don't want to totally shock your body. And then you'll be drinking 6 juices for 3 straight days with a ginger shot. So we'll check my weight before and after, see how much weight I lose on this 3-day detox cleanse. Once you receive your cleanse kit, you're going to want to immediately put them in the refrigerator. And I put them in according to the order you're supposed to drink them. This is going to be the first one in the morning, last one at night, and here's the ginger shots. So if you noticed, I actually bought 2 kits, and my wife's going to do it as well. So if she thinks anything different about the juices or the cleanse, I'll let you guys know. 220.6. We're going to be starting the cleanse tomorrow, so today we're going to be just focusing on raspberries, pineapples, making some smoothies. I have some fruit and nut blends and some organic apples. That's all we're going to be eating today to kind of get our bodies prepped for tomorrow. I'll be starting the 3-day cleanse tomorrow morning. So today all I had was water, tomato soup, I made 3 fresh smoothies, and 1 apple. So I've got my pre-cleanse day all done. I'll be starting the morning with warm water, a little bit of lemon juice, and that first ginger shot. It kind of tastes like you're drinking like cayenne pepper water. It's got a little bit of a kick to it. What I've got figured out is I'm drinking these about every 2.5 hours. I get up for 4 o'clock in the morning for work, and I don't go to bed till about 9. So I can't do every 2. So about every 2.5 hours is what I've been doing. Now I try to make one last about 20 to 30 minutes. So when it's time to drink one, I just kind of sip on it, and try to make it last about 30 minutes. Then I immediately refill this bottle with purified water, and then I drink on that for about the next 30 minutes. And then I go about 2.5 hours before I start on the second one. Now that's working out pretty good. Now, the second day is actually a little better than the first day. The first day wasn't bad at all. I started getting a little bit hungry maybe 3 times during the day, but not bad at all. Today, I start to get just a little bit hungry about a half hour before it's time to drink a juice, which is not bad at all. And then throughout the day today, hunger is pretty much gone. I have like no hunger at all. So tomorrow morning is going to be the 3rd and final day. I don't see any problems. But I'm going to go jump on the scale, we'll check my weight, and then I'll come back tomorrow night after work, after I finish the last one, and give you guys kind of my total review and conclusion of this 3-day cleanse. About 212, we'll say 213, so I've lost about 7 pounds in 2 days. 3-day cleanse is now over. I'm going to jump on the scale in a minute and see how much weight I've lost. But more importantly, the taste of this cleanse is way better than some of the other ones I've done. As far as ease on your stomach, there was no stomach cramping, no issues with using the bathroom. This is probably one of the easier cleanses all around that I've done. The only thing that doesn't taste very good is that ginger shot. Everything else tastes great. Just drink lots of water, and I plan on doing this cleanse again. Usually cleanse them every 6 months. I may do a different one in 6 months, but I will be doing this one again. So I'll go ahead and jump on the scale, see what we have for weight loss, and just kind of wrap up this review. So my final conclusion is, as far as the pros and cons, there's lots of pros. Everything tastes great, except that ginger shot. You get just slight hunger just before you're ready to drink that next juice, so you don't really have that hunger pain kind of issue. It's very easy on your stomach. A lot of the other detox kits, you usually get some type of stomach cramping, very loose stools, sometimes even diarrhea. That does not happen at all on this cleanse. The only real con I see, it is kind of expensive. It's one of the more expensive detoxes I've ever done. It runs around $120. A lot of the other detox kits I've done are somewhere in the $50 range. But like I said, you might experience some stomach cramping, some diarrhea, stuff like that from those other kits, which I didn't experience at all from this one. So all in all, really happy with this kit, and if you guys order it, I hope you are too. Give me a comment down below if you do the cleanse and let me know how it went. And thanks for watching.